Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia English Academy. My name is Sonia and I am from UP. So today is day 14 of my challenge of learning real life English, 30 days learning challenge, where we are learning real life English. No cuts, no take, no retake, no editing, no filters, nothing at all. Everything is real, original and natural. Everything is being recorded in one video only. So today I just want to tell you, in fact I just want to ask you first that I just want to ask you one thing. If you want to become a chef, can you make delicious food just in the very first cooking? If you want to become a cricketer, can you hit the sixer in the very first bowling? Or if you want to if you want to operate computer, can you operate computer perfectly right in the beginning? Right? Give me answer in the comment section. Write your answer in the comment section, and you can also give answer in your mind. So tell me. Right? Tell me. And the answer is absolutely no, because everything needs practice. So is the case with the English. If the people who are the beginner, they are not able to speak English perfectly, then they get negative. Then they start thinking that no, English is not for us. We can't become able. We can't speak fluently. We can't be confident. They always think this, and this negativity is to hold them back from speaking. So I just want you that if everything needs practice, if everything takes long time, takes a process which needs practice, then why do you think that you will become fluent in English? And what is the biggest mistake? When they start speaking, they start fumbling. Their mind gets blank. They get freeze and they get silent. This is the biggest mistake. This video is about to talk that you should speak broken English. Every beginner, not only about the speaking, every beginner makes mistake. So you also have to make mistakes. It's my humble request to commit mistakes. Until you commit mistake, you can't become fluent. Because a child, when he or she learns to walk, he commits many mistakes. If you want to ride a bicycle or a car, you can't be perfect in the beginning. You will have to be patient and you will have to go through the process, the mechanism of the process. Then you will become able, right? So commit mistakes, make mistakes, speak broken English. Don't fear of broken English. People feel afraid, they fear that people will laugh at you. Now, I just want you, why do you feel afraid? Why do you fear? Let the people laugh at you. You are no one to please the people. You are not to make the people happy. This is your journey. You yourself have to come out to make mistakes. You have to accept the reality that it is the beginning. This is the beginning and you will make mistakes. Doesn't matter what the people are saying. Are they are they laughing at you? Are they feeling that you are not a good speaker? Don't think about them, because these are the people, they will appreciate you when you will become the speaker, when you will become fluent, when you will achieve something on the basis of your spoken. They are the same people, they will appreciate you, and it's my guarantee they will appreciate you, they will respect you. Today they are not giving you respect, They are not giving you, they are laughing at you, they are making fun of you. Yes, I know, but it is, it depends on you. If you will discontinue, the people will remain the same. Their insults, their embarrassment, their making fun, their disrespecting you, it will remain the same. If you want to change their mentality, just change yourself first. You have to stop thinking that what others will say. Start speaking broken English. This is your life, your mind, your tongue, your mouth. Do whatever you want to do. And you have to accept that you will make mistakes. This is the process of learning anything. Cooking needs mistake. Cooking needs mistakes. Everything, uh, every professional make mistakes. So is you. But what people do, what they do, they think, they take it to the heart that no, I don't want to speak, I shouldn't speak in front of the people. He will laugh, they will laugh, and I will feel embarrassment, I will be insulted. No, don't think about that, because I have faced lots of embarrassment. If I say that in my teaching career I have faced a lot of time, I can't even speak. Such an embarrassment situation. I faced a lot, but I didn't stop. I decided that one day I will make them feel proud. I will, they will be pressurized. They will be compelled to respect me, because this is up to you. People are the same for everyone. Embarrassment, mistakes, and what people will say, it is natural. It happens to all. You are not the one who is facing the situation. But if you are courageous, if you are passionate, then these mistakes, these embarrassment, these insult, these fear of what people will say, it will be for short time. But if you will leave speaking, that embarrassment will remain the same throughout your life. So try to become the best version of yours. And you can't even imagine that what has English become in our society. English has become the symbol of status. If you are not a speaker, if you are not a good speaker, if you are not fluent, if you are not confident in speaking English, you are good for nothing professionally. If you want to get success, you have to speak. And if you want to be a good speaker, you have to make mistakes. You have to speak broken English, irrespective of the mentality of the people. The mentality of the people will remain the same. Don't think about them. This is your life. You have to decide what to do. If you want to get a good job, you have to be a good speaker. And to have to be a good speaker, you have to face the situation. So face it and finish it. Face the embarrassment and finish this embarrassment. If you will not face, this will remain throughout your life. These are the same people who will say, yes, this is the person who was once the beginner, who used to commit mistakes, but today he has become fluent. They will, lots of examples in a society who were the beginner when people used to make fun of them, their ambition. That and I am also from the from Hindi medium school. and lots of people are from the background where people laugh at them that he or she is good for nothing, they will not be able to do anything, and they had proved by their determination. So this video is just to make you understand that ignore the people, but don't ignore your practice. Practice every day, practice alone, and not only alone. When you are comfortable while practicing alone, start facing the people. I know this is very difficult to face the people in the beginning, because every day, at every step, you will be loved. But you have to be courageous to face the reality, and you have to prepare your mind that it will be daily with you. Because what I used to do when I was the beginner, I used to speak in I used to speak when I was alone at home. But when I started talking in English with the people, I used to commit a lot of mistakes, and this whole held me back, and I got stopped. That was my mistake. That's why it took a lot of time to learn speaking. But today I know embarrassment will remain the same if we will not accept the reality. Beginning means mistakes. Every beginner commits mistakes. So don't fear broken English, because broken English is still English. Silence is not. Broken English will give you fluency. Silence will not. Broken English give you process. Silence will not. Broken English will give you direction, but silence will not. Broken English will make you understand that where have you made mistakes, but silence will never teach you anything. It will always put you in a condition where you will always have to be insulted, because you will not learn anything from silence, but you will learn a lot from your mistakes, from your broken English. So broken English not the enemy, it is your friend. It will hold your hand. Broken English will hold your hand and will bring you to the fluency. But silence is your enemy. It will hold your hand and will hold you at the beginning. It will hold you in a situation where you will always be embarrassment. Because in today's time, you have to be a good speaker if you want to do anything good in your life. So broken English, try to value broken English. People struggle a lot of time, and I am one of them. I struggled a lot. One day I will tell my story here only, that how much time I have taken to be fluent. You can't even imagine. And I don't, it's not month, it's not years, it's a lot of time. And I don't want you to wait such a long time. That's why I asked you, because I felt afraid. I feared a lot of broken English. I always used to think that I speak broken English. I shouldn't speak before this person or before that person. When I was the teacher, I used to feel embarrassed. I used to feel shaking before the principal. If there would be the meeting, I used to feel shivering. That was my mistake, because if I used to speak the broken English, the embarrassment would remain for 1 year, or it might be possible that it would be for a few months only. But my embarrassment, my fear didn't let me be free. to speak. So speak broken English. It will bring you to the fluency. I told you. Don't fear. Don't fear the embarrassment. Don't fear the situation. Don't fear. Let the people laugh at you. Let the people make fun of you. Let them say whatever they want to say. This is their tongue. Let them say whatever they want to say. And this is your tongue. Let you speak whatever it speaks. Let your tongue make mistake. You can't control the people, but you can control your life. You can't control the mentality of the people, but you can control your mentality. The mentality which doesn't think about others. The things which you can't hold, let them be as they are. You yourself is in full control of yours. Your mind is in full control of yours. Your eyes, your tongue. So work on this control. Don't think, don't pressurize your mind to think about others. Right? Speak broken English. Broken English is still English. Silence is not English. It is 100. Broken English is 100% guarantee. If it continues, it will become fluent. Silence will never become fluency. Right? So today I'm on the terrace and I really feel happy because the weather is very pleasant. It was raining in the morning and still the air is blowing very, what should I say, it gives me peace. It is, I am feeling the air is touching my skin and I'm feeling really very happy because it's June. And in the cities the houses are not very big. The area of the house is very small. That's why we don't get fresh air in our rooms, and that's why if we want to get freshness, we have to come out. Okay, my son is okay. Okay, I have to quit my sorry, I have to end this video. So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.